Kasi lasa, naiyon sa susunod. Lasa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to make pisang molen. So pisang molen is quite different from pisang goreng because in pisang goreng you just need to coat the banana with the butter then fry. In pisang molen you just make the pastry or the dough, then you wrap the banana with that dough, then you fry it. So it's quite unique, and we don't have like that here in the Philippines, so I'm very excited to make pisang molen. And I never tried pisang molen in Indonesia, and this is my first time to make pisang molen, and this will be my first time also to try pisang molen. So without much further ado, let's start the cooking. Okay guys, so these are now my ingredients for my pisang molen. So this is about 50 grams of sugar and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Then I have here vanilla extract. I will be using at least 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And this is about 70 to 80 ml of water. And also we have here margarine. This is about 4 tablespoon to 5 tablespoon of margarine. And of course the main ingredient for this recipe is the banana. So I'll be using saba. As you can notice, the skin is not that good, but inside this is still okay. That's why I'm cooking now, because the banana are now starting to deteriorate, and it's better to cook this right away. For the first process, I need to melt this one. Okay guys, so we will now add the 350 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we have here the sugar and the salt. And some vanilla extract. About 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then we will add the water in gradual. So try to mix. So at this point we will now add the margarine. So we need to rest this for about 30 minutes. So after peeling the bananas, I'm going to slice this into half. Like this. Okay guys, so a bit softer now, so I will try to rest this again for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so after 30 minutes, this is now our dough. So it's kind of smooth now. Okay, we will knead this for one more time. So this is now my pisang molen and this is ready to fry. Okay guys, so I'm going to try now my pisang molen. Good. Actually, the bananas just complement to the pastry that was being wrapped. This tastes good. Surprisingly, this tastes good. Yummy. So the peso is not that sweet, but because the banana is sweet, it's just complement to the whole taste of this pisang mole. Perfectly cooked inside. Yeah. Sa lasa, naiwan sa susunod.
Saging man eh. Pwede po yung saging ano sa tinukuan dyan.
Oo.
Pero yung nakatilaan.
Lami.
Lami, oy!
Kanang
Kuha mo siya Indonesian food.
kami.
Lami siya. Kasi kuhaan sa sulod, no? Kanang nasa ito, kanang saging. Wala mong gutingan dito sa ato, di ba? Kaya ito kay katang prito ng diretso may kalamay. O...
Lamig ni siya kay.
Lamit eh.
Dili kay tamis.
Dili kita may sa tama lang.
Tama lang. Nindot ni sa mga kuan. Labi na na.
Lami siya kung may kuhaan, kape. Ano? Lamat. Sa lasa. Tanaw sa sulod kung sa'y naa.
May saging.
Oo. Meme. Lasa.
Cheese.
Unsang cheese? Unsang nasa sulod, tanaw sulod.
Saging?
Meme.
Oo.